Hey lovely people, welcome back to AshaDorable. The premise of the show for AshaDorable is to paint my face before I go. And in this case, this is go live Zoom to go party with my friends, which is so sweet for them to celebrate my birthday with me via Zoom. Hey, social distancing for the win. Everything's been kind of NFL themed. So I'm going to dive into the look that I have in mind right now. Let's just get into it. I'm going to start out with some hydrating coconut mist just because I want to actually. And also I feel like I need to kind of cool down after a really crazy day today. So I guess we're going to use baby skin so I can look really cute and cool. The good thing about Zoom is it minimizes pores anyway, but at least I will for sure be ready for it. I'm going to actually use my Juvia's Place concealer. It's actually a stick and it's called Mozambique, which is good. I mean, I really could, you know, since I do have tracheostomy, I probably could have just gotten away with doing silent tutorials. I hope you guys don't mind that I show you, tell you what I'm doing next. It kind of makes me feel a little cool. The process is a lot of fun. My skin's been getting clearer, y'all. I'm not sure if you guys noticed with drinking water and all that cool stuff. Okay, so I said Carolina Panthers. Rawr. That's what we're going for today. I'm going to use my baking powder just to kind of set this. I learned I can't bake long with the dry skin. That's what I learned. We can go in with the brows. I'm going to keep it black though. I'm excited to see what they do this season. Shout out to Ron Rivera. Hope he's doing well. You know, it was a big deal having Ron Rivera and Cam here. It's definitely a new adjustment to get used to. It's like literally a brand new team. It feels like, you know, we had some all-stars with us. And so I'm just happy we still have a team. I think it's very rare that I watch a game and I shouldn't say rare, but like it does happen sometimes where I watch a game and I'm just like, I like both teams, you know, like I just kind of want to watch it for the sportsmanship today. Okay, so my idea was to do blue and white accent. So let me figure out where I want the white to go. So I'm going to use this retractable white by NYX. I know it's like really stark because it's really like white underneath black right now. The Carolina blue part is where I'm nervous, to be honest with you guys. I have the palettes thinking that they do have the right look. So we're gonna see. And I'm gonna do kind of like a cat eye. Different way, almost like whiskers, but for the eye. That looks really cute actually. I'm gonna use one of my brushes, preferably another one, and I'm gonna dip it into the white to see if I can cover over with actual face paint. This is called CC Beauty Face Paint. These are the palettes that I have found some blues and that I hope work. Particularly this one, the Warrior 3, which is a stunningly, isn't this like a stunning color? For a palette, I shouldn't be squinching my eyes too much. I didn't set it yet. So it has this blue called Gola in it. I think I mentioned this before. So we're going to go in with Gola. Let's just dabble it here and towards the front and see how I feel about it. So that is that on that for face paint, I believe. And now we're gonna brush out the lashes on the bottom here. I'm feeling confidence boosted, so that's why I feel good to just run it. All right, so I'm actually gonna set this setting spray. Hold on. Yep, I need it to sit right where it's at before I do the rest. So while that's actually drying, before I get into the eyes again, I'm gonna go straight for the lip because I really want to get this together. So we're actually gonna do a little bit of the concealer first, which is the, I say concealer, but for my lip it's like a little bit of a nude first. So we're gonna line the lip out. I'm gonna use the same Gola though. I'm gonna touch in a little bit and we'll see how long this actually lasts the party. It's like bluish black, but it looks really dope. Lashes. I'm going to now do some foundation and concealing. So yeah, I'm gonna use some Maybelline Filt'Mer. We're going to now go in with this stick and a little bit of concealer going on. We can go full black lip if you feel it. Alright, y'all. So I'm roaring out right now with this gorgeous Carolina blue. Total Panthers inspo look. If you like it, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching AshaDorable. I'll see you next episode. Check out the other episodes as well. Don't forget.